When people think of a Nigerian state, the city that first comes to mind is not always the state capital. In many cases, another city has overshadowed the capital in commerce, culture, history, population, education, industry, and national recognition. This phenomenon is common across Nigeria. While capitals serve as administrative headquarters, other cities often become the true economic engines, cultural symbols, educational centers, or commercial powerhouses of their states. For example, many people know Abia more readily than Umuahia. The same can be said for Onitsha and Awka, Warri and Asaba, Zaria and Kaduna, or Nsukka and Enugu. These cities have built powerful identities that extend far beyond their state boundaries. According to recent population estimates, cities such as Onitsha, Abia, Warri, and Zaria rank among Nigeria's largest urban centers and have developed strong economic and cultural influence. In this documentary, we explore 7 Nigerian states where a non-capital city has arguably become more famous, influential, or recognizable than the capital itself. When Lagos State is mentioned, many people immediately think of Lekki rather than Ikeja, the official capital. Technically, Ikeja remains the administrative headquarters of Lagos State. It hosts the state secretariat, government offices, and major public institutions. However, over the last 2 decades, Lekki has become the face of modern Lagos. The rise of Lekki has been extraordinary. What was once a relatively quiet peninsula has transformed into one of Africa's fastest growing urban corridors. Today, Lekki is home to the Lekki Free Trade Zone, Dangote Refinery, Lekki Deep Sea Port, Eco-Atlantic Development, luxury estates, high-end commercial districts. Many foreign investors entering Lagos often encounter Lekki before they ever visit Ikeja. The Lekki Deep Sea Port is Nigeria's first deep sea port, built in decades, and is expected to significantly enhance trade activities. The Dangote Refinery, located in Lekki Free Trade Zone, is one of the largest single-train refineries in the world. These projects have dramatically increased Lekki's international visibility. Today, if someone outside Nigeria hears Lagos luxury, Lagos real estate, or Lagos investment hub, chances are they are thinking about Lekki. While Ikeja remains the capital, Lekki has become the global brand of Lagos. Long before Kaduna became a state capital, Zaria was already one of the most important cities in northern Nigeria. Historically known as Zauzau, Zaria was once a major Hausa city-state. Its influence stretches back hundreds of years. Today, Zaria's greatest asset is education. The city hosts Ahmadu Bello University, one of Africa's largest universities. For decades, students from across Nigeria and other African countries have traveled to Zaria for higher education. Zaria is also home to the Nigerian College of Aviation Technology, major research institutions, historic emirate structures, northern Nigeria's intellectual elite. Population estimate place Zaria amongst Nigeria's largest cities. Although Kaduna remains the political center, Zaria enjoys a prestige rooted in history, scholarship, and culture. that often makes it more recognizable internationally. Few cities in Africa possess the historical significance of Ile-Ife. To the Yoruba people, Ile-Ife is regarded as the cradle of creation and spiritual birthplace of the Yoruba civilization. The city is home to the revered Oni of Ile-Ife and is considered one of Nigeria's most important cultural centers. Ile-Ife also hosts Obafemi Awolowo University, one of Nigeria's most prestigious universities. Meanwhile, Osogbo serves as the administrative capital of Osun State. Yet, internationally, Ile-Ife often receives greater recognition because of Yoruba history, archaeological discoveries, traditional institutions, academic influence, religious significance. The famous Ife bronze and terracotta artifacts have attracted global scholarly attention for decades. While Osogbo governs the state, Ile-Ife embodies its historical soul. This is perhaps one of the clearest examples in Nigeria. Awka is the capital of Anambra State, yet Onitsha is undoubtedly the state's most famous city. Located on the eastern bank of the River Niger, Onitsha is one of West Africa's largest commercial centers. The city is famous for Onitsha main market, massive wholesale trade, manufacturing activities, transportation networks, and financial services. Greater Onitsha has evolved into one of Nigeria's largest metropolitan regions. Population estimates consistently place Onitsha among Nigeria's largest cities. By contrast, Awka's importance comes primarily from administration and governance. Awka became Anambra's capital after the state was created in 1991. In terms of economic influence, national recognition, and commercial activity, Onitsha has long surpassed the capital in visibility. If there is one city that symbolizes entrepreneurship in Nigeria, it is Aba. For decades, Aba has been known as the industrial heartbeat of southeastern Nigeria. The city hosts Area International Market, thousands of manufacturing workshops, textile businesses, leather industries, and technology innovators. Aba-made products are sold across Nigeria and beyond. Population estimates place Aba amongst Nigeria's major urban centers. While Umuahia serves effectively as the state capital, Aba remains the economic giant. Many Nigerians know Aba long before they ever hear of Umuahia. The city's reputation for business and innovation has made it one of Nigeria's most recognized commercial centers. Asaba may be the capital of Delta State, but Warri is arguably the most famous city. Warri's rise is closely linked to the Nigeria's oil and gas industry. For decades, Warri served as one of the most important petroleum cities in Nigeria. The city became known for oil production, maritime activities, port operations, industrial development, entertainment, and popular culture. Warri's influence extends beyond economics. The city has contributed significantly to Nigerian music, comedy, and popular culture. Population estimates rank Warri amongst Nigeria's larger urban centers. Asaba has grown rapidly since becoming the capital, but Warri remains the better-known city nationally and internationally. This one is perhaps the most debatable. Enugu itself is a major city and state capital. However, Nsukka enjoys a unique reputation that often gives it visibility far beyond its size. The reason is simple. Nsukka is home to University of Nigeria, Nigeria's first indigenous university, founded in 1960 by Nnamdi Azikiwe. The institution transformed Nsukka into one of Nigeria's most important academic centers. For generations, students from across Africa have studied there. The university's influence has made the name Nsukka instantly recognizable amongst academics, researchers, and alumni worldwide. Even discussions among Nigerians frequently identify Enugu State with both Enugu and Nsukka due to the university's enormous reputation. Although Enugu remains larger and serves as the political and economic center of the state. Nsukka's academic prestige has made it one of the most recognized university towns in Africa. The story of these 7 states reveal an important reality about urban development in Nigeria. Being a capital city does not automatically make a city the most famous, influential, or economically dominant. Sometimes, commerce creates prominence, as seen in Onitsha and Abia. Sometimes history creates prestige, as seen in Ile-Ife and Zaria. Sometimes industry builds recognition, as seen in Warri and Lekki. And sometimes education elevates a town onto the global stage, as seen in Nsukka. Together, these cities demonstrate the diverse forces that shape urban influence across Nigeria. In many cases, they have become the true ambassadors of their state, cities whose names resonate far beyond their state boundaries and even beyond Nigeria itself. Which of these cities do you think is more popular than its state capital? Did we miss any state where a non-capital city has become more influential than the capital? Share your thoughts in the comments. If you enjoy documentaries about Nigerian cities, history, infrastructure, culture, and economic development, subscribe to the channel, turn on notification, and join us for more fascinating journeys across Nigeria. Until next time, thank you for watching. Share the video. Thanks.